You're ready.
Hey, aloha everybody, and welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 137, and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. The show that I had planned for you today encountered some problems late this evening, so I'm going to be showing you a special movie that was made by Secret Cameraman over a year ago, last June of 2005. I think you're going to really enjoy it. Beautiful sights around Oahu and, of course, Lexi. I've been getting great comments from yesterday's show about this show, so please keep those coming. I love them. Thank you so much. And you know, guess what? We're number 10 out of 850 plus video podcasts at Podcast Alley. So I'm very thrilled by that and really appreciate you voting for us. A couple more people voting for us and we'll be well inside the top 10 list, which would be very cool. So if you have a moment, click on the vote for Podcast Alley. And let's get the show started. Aloha. Welcome to None of This Matters with Shane Robinson, co-hosted today by special guest Roxanne Darling.
And narrated as well.
No, not necessarily. Just giving the intro because you're driving.
Okay, thank you very much.
Those of you who live here in Hawaii will recognize immediately we're driving through the beautiful, gorgeous, wonderful town of Waimanalo, known locally as Nalo. And we're proving that none of this really matters because we were hoping to launch our BusyCast business and website today, and we're so far behind that we decided we might as well treat our carpal tunnel syndrome a little bit by going up to Halona, which is Blowhole, and do a little snorkeling.
This is real, what we live in. It is impossible to let go of the system. Cause they will tell you lies to keep the truth disguised. There's so many reasons we are suffering. All the people of the world are stumbling. In a world of hate, you will be my ally. In a world of fear, you will be my us. And I can count on you to make everything.
And we're coming up along where Lost is filmed, back behind us there, along this beach, in case anyone cares. I know Ryan will care because he's a Lost fan, him and his wife Jen. Good surfing beach. Almost there.
It's all running out. We haven't got much time.
So, we're going to go for an evening dip at Halona. This is the parking lot for the blowhole. It's emptying out pretty quickly actually. But over there you can oversee the blowhole if the tide is up. And then there's lots of spray. I'm just going to hop over here, show you where we're going. Looks like there might be a lot of people down there. And there's a doggy down there. So this is where they filmed From Here to Eternity. So we're going down there. See you down there.
alright. I got a map of the earth, and I'm gonna break the curse. Cause there's no time to lose, cause we will not be removed. Just take me away, and we will save the day. Just take me away, and we will save the day. Don't tell us to stop, cause we will rise to the top.